So, namaste, friends. Welcome to the program, and we are going to start the session. So, first of all, my dear friends, here, if you can believe it, you can achieve it. That is a golden principle in the life. If you don't believe, you can't achieve, right? So, it's very, very important for all of you to believe in the life. By default, someone has done this. Please check. Continue.
Sorry, it happened by mistake.
Yeah, I know. I know that it happens by mistakes. So, namaskar. Welcome everyone. Just a second. Give me. Uh, so let's start with.
मधुकैटव विध्वंस
Can you all hear the sound? Can you all hear the computer sound?
Yeah.
Uh,
वेधात्री वरदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि महिषासुरनिर्णाशि भक्तानं सुखदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि धूम्रनेत्र वधे देवी धर्म कामार्थदायी मधुकैटव विध्वंसी वेधात्री वरदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि महिषासुरनिर्णाशि भक्तानं सुखदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि धूम्रनेत्र वधे देवी धर्म कामार्थदायी.
fine, friends. So let's say Devi is in front of you, and if she asks you, "What do you want?" What will be your answer? 9 days you are going for this, right? So, what do you want if the Devi comes in front of you and she is ready to bless you? What will you ask her? Type in the chat box. What do you want? Yes, dear friends, very simple. Because that is very, very important for all of us. If this one question is answered, the whole life is sorted. The whole life is sorted. So, that is very, very important, my dear friends. So, we all have to see to it that we all are very, very clear about what do we want. Okay, so let's continue, my dear friends. Fine, just a second. Oh, fine. So the purpose of the whole life is here. Our Gurujis always used to say, I'm not here to teach you, I'm here to love you, and love will teach you everything that you want. So I don't know if you all remember, very nice saying. It is said that पोथी पढ़ी पढ़ी जगमुआ पंडित भया न कोई ढाई आखर प्रेम का पढ़े सो पंडित होय. How many of you have heard this? If you have heard this, type in chat box yes. If you have heard this. Mathli is saying not heard. Okay, Shalaj is saying yes, I have heard it. Yeah. That is the root cause of everything, my dear friends. What is happening in our body? Everything is because of the chemical secretions. And these chemical secretions are happening inside the body and outside the body. That is as simple as. Either it can be outside or it can be inside. Now, what is more dangerous here? If I want to say what is more dangerous over here, inside or outside? So, my dear friend, the answer comes, the more dangerous is the inside one, not the outside one. So, people keep asking, sir, kya khana hai Navratri mein? Right? So, my take on this part is, more than that, we have to understand about the total detox process. And there are three things which we have to work on. Our life is because of three things: mind, body, and the spirit. For example, if I want to give someone something, what I have to do first? I have to clean the vessel. वेसल अगर साफ नहीं होगा, उसमें कितना भी अच्छा चीज रखना चाहो, if you want to keep anything in that, that will be of no worth. That will not work properly. How many of you agree with me that cleaning the vessel is very, very important? Cleaning the vessel is very, very important. Otherwise, it is of no use. प्रसाद रखते हैं, खाना रखते हैं, थाली रखते हैं, राइट है ना? तो फ्रेंड्स, लाइफ को अगर एंजॉय करना है ना, तो डिटॉक्स बहुत जरूरी है. और डिटॉक्स बॉडी का करने के पहले माइंड का डिटॉक्स करना जरूरी है. क्योंकि जो बॉडी हमारे केमिकल सिक्रीट कर रही है, दैट इज मोर डेंजरस देन एनीथिंग एल्स. दैट हैज टू बी टेकन केयर ऑफ. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. हम लोग उसको बोलते हैं केमिकल लोचा. मुन्ना भाई की लैंग्वेज अगर आप लोगों ने देखा होगा ना, इफ यू ऑल हैव सीन द मूवी मुन्ना भाई एमबीबीएस, he always say, bapu chemical locha, right? So in our health also same thing is happening. Two kinds of things are happening in the body. One, the chemical secreted by the body, and second, the chemical we get from the food. Now, which is from inside, which body is secreting, and that is always more powerful than what we are getting from the outside. And that is why if you all see, शिवरात्रि बोलते हैं, नवरात्रि बोलते हैं. कभी आप लोगों ने सुना है वर्ड शिव दिन या नव दिन, ऐसा वर्ड सुना है क्या? हैव यू हर्ड इट? कभी नहीं सुना होगा आपने. क्यों बोलते हैं रात्रि? Because Ratri, when you say, it is a peace time, it's a relaxation time, it's a healing time. And how our rituals are created? Whatever you are doing throughout the day, throughout the year, once in the year or twice in a year, you have to take the rest and you have to heal yourself. That is very, very important. And that is how the detox process happens. It is always the detox of all three: mind, body, and spirit. So let's understand one by one. As the time is short, we have only half an hour, so that after half an hour, we have to go for the question and answer. I value your time. I respect your time. I thank you for coming live. First thing, take 100% responsibility of the life. No complaining, no blaming, no judging. Saying is very simple, my dear friends. What we are doing throughout the day, this fellow is not behaving properly with me. Maybe husband, maybe relative, maybe wife, maybe son, maybe daughter, maybe nephew, maybe niece, maybe anybody. Can't you talk slowly? My voice is high. Can't you talk softly? Don't you understand? Can't you do like this? My dear friend, all these things are taking toll on our health. We are expecting from someone else. When we did the study of all the disease formation, and we came to know one very simple fundamental. The root cause of all is expectation from others. More expectation from others, less expectation from self. It may be papa, maybe mummy, maybe brother, maybe sister, maybe anybody. वो क्यों नहीं, वो क्यों नहीं, वो क्यों नहीं? And here is the trap, my dear friends. The wrong chemicals are secreted in the body, and body goes from a simple acute to chronic to a what? Autoimmune disease. So it starts from the mind. Very, very crucial, my dear friends. It's my humble request. If you want a healthy and happy life, you must work on the inner dimension first. Because chemical secretion by the body is very important. And how we can do that? It's very, very simple. Zero expectation from anybody. Zero. Assume that you are already dead. You are no more alive. You must have seen samurai, how they do. They fight like it is the last day of their life. Similar way, my dear friends, I also want you, if you really want to live a healthy and happy life, a life of abundance, then my dear friends, you all have to live in this way. You all have to finalize that your life is no more, right? You are already dead. Do not expect from anybody. Zero expectation. When zero expectation, it may be your husband, it may be your daughter, it may be your son, it may be your daughter-in-law, anybody. Training them is a different story. Don't mix up. 100% responsibility of the life. Next part, a lot of love. You have to tell yourself, I'm on this earth for loving everyone. Don't be on the other mode. I want love. Nobody's loving me. Nobody's taking care of me. Nobody's understanding me. What to do? Blah, blah. Right? Will create wrong chemical secretions. In the disease formation, lack of love, lack of the careness from others is playing a very, very vital role. And therefore, my dear friends, my humble request, nobody is loving you, no problem. Who is stopping you from loving others? You start loving. You start caring. You start loving. You start caring. You start sharing. You start giving. In the whole planet, if you see, everybody is for a purpose. Sun never questions why you are not getting up. It's coming on its own time. It's not bothering. Rain comes on time, right? So everything in the nature is happening on their own. Your heart is pumping on its own time. Everything is happening. So my dear friends, it's not important that who is loving you. It's important that you are loving others or not. How? That you can find out. If want, I can help you in the other sessions, right? You can message me and then I can help you in that. Gratitude. Be thankful for everyone who are there with you. What they are doing is not your business. It's none of your business what they are doing. What is your business? What you are doing. That is very, very important. Okay. So in being in the gratitude, caring for the others. Suppose somebody is thirsty. Just go and ask, do you want water? Giving is very, very important, my dear friends. Very, very important. Now giving also, suppose I have seen many people, they have a lot of ample of money. Money is going to the hospital like anything. They are spending money and then somebody is dying. So if you have money, donate it. Pay it multiple times to your mentors, your coaches who are working with you. Donate to the temples wherever you are connected. Donate to the trusts where you are connected. Donate to the NGOs where you are connected. I have seen many of the people, many of my students, those who are donating money, they are becoming very healthy. Their disease is going like anything. So giving has many dimensions, my dear friends. If you want health, you have to start giving your time to the others, those who are needy. Whom to give is again a rule. Who can't return you back. जो आपको रिटर्न बैक नहीं कर सकता है उसको आपको पहले देना है. That is a rule, thumb rule. Give it to the needy. It can be money. Pay the fees for someone who can't afford. Right? Pay happily. Use your body for services. Building में लगता है कुछ, give your services. Give your service to the temple. Start using it, my dear friends. You will be out of disease 100%. Right? Body detox. Next dimension. 10 minutes are there. I'll talk about the body dimension, right? Body dimension is the outer one. Mind, inner dimension. Body dimension, what to stop? People keep asking, sir, kya khana band kare? Now again, first you check yourself. What is your awareness? What is not good for you? Don't wait for someone to come and tell you, you eat this, you eat this, you don't eat this. How long it will happen, my dear friends? It is not a sustainable way. It is never ever a sustainable way. If I give you the diet, how long you can follow? Very less. But if I work with you, I guide you, I help you to design the diet for yourself, it can be sustainable. So you have to decide the diet which is sustainable, right? So first you think what is working with your body, what is not working with your body. How you ate so that your health went down. How you thought that your health went down. Think both the dimension of your mind and the body. Right? After that, what is the universal way? Universal way to gain the health is to stop. What to stop? Milk and milk products. Why I'm telling this? Because nowadays a lot of adulterations are there. Okay, you don't know what is adulterated and what is correct. If you are getting good milk, A2 milk, A2 ghee, you can rely on that. You can have as per your appetite. I'm not saying no, right? So I'm not saying it is good or bad. It's your call. I'm just educating you. It's an open platform. I'm just helping you. Okay? To live a mucus-free life. Mucus is the root cause of all the disease. Okay? So what you can do? All the grains has to be minimized. All the grains has to be minimized. And vegetable and fruit has to be increased. Now people ask me, sir, fruit kab khana hai? Kaun sa fruit khana hai? Which fruit has to be taken? Which when to take? No thumb rule. You take your own call, right? As per your geographical area, as per your genetics, as per your dadis and nani's culture. Talk to your dadi, talk to your nani. What is good? What is your way of life? And go according to it. So you can stop which is creating a toxin in the body, right? And you have to start which is eliminating those toxins, right? So कुछ खाने के बाद अगर बॉडी में बहुत पेन हो रहा है, you feel very drowsy, very sleepy, that is not a good food for you. Don't have it. Minimize it. Okay? Right? So stop all those things. What is advisable for 9 days? My suggestion for you all is, it's my suggestion. Huh? I'm educating you all, right? You can take your own call and you can take a decision. You can stop all the dairy products. You can stop non-veg. You can stop all the stimulants. Okay? Be completely on the fruit and the vegetables. Now some may say, sir, मेरी तो आदत नहीं है. Fine. If you have the habit of 3 times grain, go for 2 time grain. Go for 1 time grain. Go for raw. Go for juices. Again, same way, revert back. Okay. So after juices, go for the raw. Go for the grain 1 time. And then you take a call. Some people ask me, sir, what is the best way throughout the life, sustainable? I say you can have 1 time grain. That is your call. See, I'm not here to train you or give you the diet plan. Please understand. I want you to get educated and decide your diet plan. 2 DNAs are not same. 2 body patterns are not same. It's a chemistry, my dear friends. And that is why two people cannot have same diet plan. My liking may be different, my wife's liking may be different. Okay, after eating something, one may have the reaction, one may not have the reaction. So diet of two people cannot be same. You have to customize, you have to design as per your body. Your appetite has to be in that it is sustainable. Very, very important, my dear friends. So this is what about the mind, how to detox, be in love, call the friends, talk to them, hug them, right? Family, friends, love as much as possible. Be thankful to them, care for them, start giving time, money, whatever you have, start giving. What goes out comes around and multiply and comes back, my dear friends, which is very, very important, right? Yeah, that's totally fine. Okay, spirit detox. Now, what you can do for spirit detox, you all can go for meditation, sitting in silence, being with the nature, being in the morn. If you want to detox your body or your health, like you want to achieve health, do three things parallel simultaneously. Go in mourn 9 days if you can go in mourn for 9 days if possible, if you can afford. I'm not saying you do it. If you can afford to do this for 9 days, you can try. Switch off all the phones, keep it everything aside. देखो, आज कोई मर जाएगा ना तो किसी को तकलीफ नहीं है, लेकिन फोन बंद करेगा ना तो तकलीफ है. Think that you're no more if you want to really enjoy the healthy life, right? So you can, if you can afford for 9 days, you can switch off all the things, all the technical things, right? Get yourself detached, have a player where you can have the good music, good light, okay, and wait. And when you have different light and different days, you must have heard that navratri mein alag alag din alag alag color aata hai, right? So what you can do, you can have meditation in different color. Every day put different bulbs, put different light, and have meditation, right? Do the dance in that meditation, right? Standing meditation, you can do that. Dance, you can do that. You can do a lot of things for 9 days. Don't talk, no problem. Nothing will happen. Introspect yourself. What are my thoughts? Do I have the hatred for others? Do I have the comparison with the others? Am I listening somebody else, right? In other way around. Somebody is poisoning my mind. All dimensions, you can think on it. And my dear friends, it's my guarantee, if you follow these 9 things, right? 9 days doing meditation in different days, different lights, okay? Working on yourself, your mind, and the food I said, food you can totally up to your choice. You can go for the fruit, you can go for the liquid, you can go for the limbu pani, you can go for only water, you can go without water. Check your appetite. But again, my dear friends, how you start, go to the peak and then same way return back, because starting the fast and breaking the fast is equally more important. If you are hungry and after a few days, if you eat a lot of what I can say, grains and lot of oily, will take a toll on your body. Not a good sign. Okay, so detox your mind, detox your body, and detox your spirit. All three. By this, what will happen? Mucus will go down, right? Health will be improved. Your body will have more vital energy, and you will have more control over the life. So just a second, my dear friends, I'll just sum up with the PPT. Just a second, my dear friends, resume the slide. Okay, so my dear friends, you all must have the burning desire, you all must have the passion, and you all must have the belief in it so that you all become unstoppable. So belief is very, very important, my dear friends, and this belief will take you to the long run. Next part, my dear friends, your GPS system. If you are very clear what you want 9 days, in this 9 days, my guarantee that you all can definitely achieve it. So strong desire and 100% belief will give you desired result, my dear friends. You can attract the people, event, ideas, opportunities, situation, everything. So now is the time, my dear friends, question answer. Okay, so you can get health, wealth, mind, relationship, everything. So now is the time of question answers, my dear friends, right? So please unmute one by one and have the start with the question answers. Type in the chat box if you have the questions. We can go the question one by one. I have taken half an hour exact. Thank you so much for being online. We can go for how to stay away from the tea and the sweets. Yes. So again, you have to aware yourself. When you have the feeling of having tea, ask yourself, question to yourself, what are the benefits of having tea? What are the shortcomings of having tea? What are the drawbacks? Don't go somebody and ask मैं चाय पीऊं कि नहीं पीऊं. अगर सामने वाला बोल देगा कि चाय मत पियो और आपकी इच्छा है चाय पीने की, then it will not work, my dear friends. I want you all to take control of your life. Take 100% control. If you learn the science throughout the life, you don't have to go to ask someone मैं चाय पीऊं कि नहीं पीऊं. Okay, so what you do in your notebook or just like that, just sit and ask yourself, what are the benefits of having tea and what are the benefits of not having tea? Many of my students, they ask me, sir, I'm having the craving of having tea, and they say, can't be some other way? No sir, I want to have tea, my head is spinning like anything. Okay, then have it. And then after having tea, they call me and they say, sir, I'm not feeling well, I feel very guilty why I had tea. Then what is your learning? Sir, I'm thinking not to have tea. Okay, then don't have tea. See, if somebody tells you, it's very difficult to follow. But when you tell yourself, it's very, very easy to follow. How many of agree with my point? If you agree, type in the chat box, agree. If you all agree, please type agree. Don't go to someone, my dear friends. Don't go to any dietitian. Don't go to any nutritionist. Don't go to, unless required, don't go to doctor also. It is your life. Enjoy it now. Play with the kids. Dance with the kids. Talk with the wife and enjoy the life with her, right? Why to waste time running to this doctor, this hospital, that hospital? 8 hours you are sleeping. So 1/3 time anyway is gone. 2 to 3 hours, right? Getting ready, makeup and all that stuff, right? So getting ready, 3 hours more. What is the time left? 50% time already gone. What to do? Quick fix never works, my dear friends. Quick fix never works. It's short time. Talk to yourself. What you can do, you can have the alternative. Suppose if you think मेरे को ना चाय नहीं पीना है, then you can have go for something else. Warm water ले लो, lemon water ले लो. Think about it. Now work it out. Explore what is working for me. Go for ginger water. Go for what you can say green tea. Find out some solution. Now talk to yourself. So much information available on the YouTube. So much information available on the YouTube, books, everything. Just go to the Google what to have. You'll get all the ideas. So many things. So find out what is right, what is wrong. Okay. Navratri, right? Okay. Navratri we do prasadam, right sir? So how to avoid it? See, Navratri you are going now. When I go, different people make prasadam in different ways. So what you can do, you are going for the Devi ji puja, right? You can have the prasadam. If you want, you have. Otherwise, you can give it to your family friends. No problem. Absolutely fine. Take your call. Take your own call. Because matter is a condensed form of energy. Write down somewhere. Matter is a condensed form of energy. If energy is positive, will give you health. If energy is negative, will give you disease. One line answer. No miracle, no magic. Right? So it is very, very clear. Okay, my dear friends. So you all decide, make some sattvic prasadam, take your call, how it can be good for others. Go for more and more fruit kind of prasad, right? So you can tune accordingly. Before, if I see Satyanarayana Katha, what they used to give? Banana, right? Some santras. In many pujas, they used to keep five different types of fruits. I hope you all must be knowing that. So I'm not talking about more on the food dimension. You all are very much smart about it, right? So go for 9 days, my dear friends. Go for detoxing your mind. Start loving the people, caring for them, talking to them in a good way on the phone or physical way when you meet them. Okay, talk something good about them. You all can make a habit for 9 days, every day, 9 people. Call 9 people and talk to one good thing about them. So 9 days, these 9 people can be same or can be 9 different people. So if you take 9 different people, 9 into 9 to 81 people. So for 9 days, 81 people, make a list of it. Just make a call and just tell them what you loved about them, what you liked about them. Start loving, right? Start caring, start giving. This will change the whole endocrine system of your body. People reverse autoimmune diseases only by mind work and physical work, not by diet also. When the diet fails, medicine fails, they laugh, they dance, right? They sing. Do all this. 9 days you have in your hand. Okay, do all these things, my dear friends. Start loving, start caring, start giving. Food dimension, I said, 9 days, no tea, you will not die. Trust me, you will not die. No tea, no coffee, no stimulants, no cigarette, no BD, no pan, no tobacco, no liquor. If you really want to work on yourself. Otherwise, it is okay. Absolutely, your life. I'm not saying anything. Okay, right? Go on more and more fruits and juices. Nariyal pani, fruits, raw vegetables. Take all these things for 9 days. After 9 days, my dear friends, I guarantee you, you will be a totally different person. Totally different person. Okay. Any other question, my dear friends? It's already 7:36. If any questions, please unmute and ask or type in the chat box so that we can close the session. I have taken already half an hour, all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. No, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.